Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe in the LTZ trim with just over 146,000 miles. This was a local trade here at our dealership and it was in great enough condition that we have it out available to you folks here. This Chevrolet Tahoe is equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine. It does have one minor on the Carfax, and we'll go over that in just a bit, with 3 previous owners. In the front, you will find this third row SUV well equipped with high intensity headlights and LED daytime running lights. At the bottom, you will have front proximity sensors and LED fog lights. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 22-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new tire, and we'll get you the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like fixed running boards. You'll also have powered mirrors here with turn signal indicators integrated right into the mirror here with blind spot monitoring. You'll also have passive door entry. Looking inside, you'll have a cocoa dune theme here, so tan and nice dark chocolate here with that tan stitching with faux wood grain and a touch of brushed aluminum. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this beautiful Tahoe. And you will also have a powered sunroof. And of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated and cooling front seats with leather upholstery. You'll also have power adjustments on both the passenger and the driver's side. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are like new at 12/30 seconds all the way around. Could be brand new as well. And then brake pads are good to go, along with everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And guys, we take care of the wearables, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the middle row, you will have captain's chairs. You will also have a lot of nice comfort and convenience features like rear climate control, heated rear seats, and you even have rear entertainment, storage on the backing of the seats, and of course you will have easy access to that third row. Now keep in mind, all of these seats are power folding. We're going to get into that here in just a moment once we go to the rear here. So if you're looking for an affordable third row SUV to haul the family to your vacations, this is the vehicle here, guys. Again, nice tail lights here, rear camera. You will have rear proximities, and you do have your hitch receiver under that hitch cover right there. This particular Tahoe, being an LTZ, it does come with your powered liftgate assist. Of course, the third row is up. And to the right here, you will see all of your options for your folding seats. So we're gonna go ahead and fold those down. We're gonna go ahead, that one's folded down already. That one goes up. So they go up or down, which is really nice. So plenty of storage options here in this Tahoe. Back here, you will also have a 12-volt outlet with cup holders. And again, rear entertainment. Coming up the driver's side here, passive door entry on all of the door handles, which is a really nice feature. Blind spot monitor, turn signal indicator, and here on the driver door area, let's go over some of the power options. You will have safety features here like child locks and window locks, powered windows, power adjustable mirrors, which include power folding. Up top, you'll have your powered door locks, and down below, you will have your memory seating here for your driver's seat and GM Easy Exit and Entry. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting, followed up with a general lamp selector. Over here, you'll have your four-wheel drive selections, followed up with your tow package here. You'll have integrated trailer brake controls, which is a really nice feature on this Tahoe. You're also going to have power adjustable foot pedals, proximity sensors. You can turn those on and off right here. Lane keep assist, traction control off, and followed up with a power telescoping and tilting wheel. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and liftgate release. And you also have a panic. To the right of the steering wheel, this Tahoe is equipped with a push button start. So let's go ahead and confirm the mileage. Again, just telling us the hood is open. Driver memory 3. Just over 146,000 miles here on this Tahoe LTZ trim. Okay, as far as steering wheel mounted controls go, you will have cruise control selections here, forward collision, and an option for your heated steering wheel. On the backing of the steering wheel, you have volume and seek options here on either side. Sorry to make you dizzy. And to the right, Up top here, you will have a selector for your center screens, and you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. Okay, checking out the infotainment system and display. You'll have audio options such as AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth connectivity. You even have a CD player still, and you have a nice hideaway storage compartment here with an additional USB outlet. Down below, you have some simple radio controls, followed up with your dual automatic climate control and your rear climate control, complete with heated front seats here and cooling front seats. You'll also have those heated rear seats with the captain's chairs as well. As you can see, you have some nice hideaway storage here with 2 USBs, a 12-volt outlet, 2 cup holders here, and then you will have wireless charging on top of this center console here. And you will have all of the original headphones that go along with the entertainment system here in the back, so you can play DVDs, and all of those will connect to your audio. And along with that here, some nice storage here. You have another 12-volt, 2 USBs, and an auxiliary for alternative audio. Let's take a look up top here to our auto dimming rear view mirror. You'll have your OnStar and SOS services. Here you have your bright LED map lights, integrated garage door openers, and you will have controls for your powered sunroof. So tons of comfort and convenience features, of course, loaded into this LTZ. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 5.3 liter V8 gas engine. As you can see, super clean, well maintained. No evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything like that. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Tahoe has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. Now in the last portion of this video, guys, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this vehicle. Keeping in mind that it is a pre-owned vehicle with just over 146,000 miles, but this vehicle was in good enough condition that we wanted to bring it to you here. So starting up front here, you will have some wear and some discoloration here on your chip guard. Your other chrome grille inserts are in good shape, but hey, that's what a chip guard is for, to protect the hood, right? So it did its job. Headlights, you will have some blemishes here, not super clear, but nothing concerning. Still passes state inspection. In Pennsylvania, fog lights are nice and clear. Actually, minimal wear and tear here in the front. Not a lot of stone chips. Coming around the wheel and tire setup, no peeling of that coating of any kind. No curb rash on the wheel, okay? Running boards are still in great condition. Your chrome mirror caps here, you'll see some minor cosmetic stuff here. Other than that, your high gloss black portions are in good shape and minimal scuffing here on the outer door. As you can see up top, you will start to see some discoloration here on your paint matched and chrome trim door handles. You will have some protective film behind there, so that's really nice. And you will have those door edge guards right here. So all that is intact. That's what we like to see. Looking inside, passenger door card, very clean here, guys. No rip stains, tears, or anything like that. You will start to see some discoloration, some loss of gloss here on the leather portion just above your glove box. And let's take a look at these leather seats here, guys. No rip stains, tears, discoloration, and your headliner is nice and clear as well. So the only thing cosmetically, you will have some cracking here on the leather just above your center console. This door handle is in good shape. All your LTZ badging and chrome trim is in great shape. Now up here on your luggage racks, you are going to have some discoloration on the chrome and then the black moldings, which is to be expected. Okay, on the hard backing of the seats, great shape. No rips or stains, tears, no discoloration. And then around the back storage area here, just behind the center console, very nice and clean. Entertainment system, functional. Coming around to the tail lights here, no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading, all the way down to your rear proximities. You'll have some cosmetic blemishes like small paint chips. Looks like we have some bubbles starting here on your back coating that surrounds your gold bow tie here, as you can see. Other than that, really nice and clean. Coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings in the vehicle body. No curb rash on that wheel. All the way up to your chrome trim. A few minor cosmetic blemishes here. Again, for the year and mileage, guys, you really can't complain here. You are going to have some cosmetic blemishes here on the driver door handle and ending up at the driver door mirror cap. Some specs here. Other than that, really great shape on those 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe. This is the LTZ trim, third row, captain seats, rear entertainment, heated cooling seats, heated steering wheel. So a lot of nice comfort and convenience features packed into this very affordable third row SUV. Give us a call at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7, and you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultant to see if this Tahoe qualifies for extended coverage. Again, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Please like and subscribe.